Hello everyone, I am your drawing teacher Rihanna Merchant. Today we are going to learn today we are going to learn number 5. With the help of number 5 we write first. First you write number 5. And opposite side also same way, it is the apple. Second number 5 you draw like this, like this, and then don't deep curve, and then extend like this. It is a penguin. See, this is the number 5. Then you do like this. Straw with the glass. Okay, see this number 5 you do like this, write like this, then this is the beak, bird. See, with the number 5, I write. See, I done sketch pen. Now I am doing coloring. See, I done coloring. Here red and orange color. Then here grey color and white color. Dark brown, light brown. And then straw. Okay. It is with help of number 5. Please like, share and subscribe. Rihanna Merchant.